Today I want to talk about another indicator called ADX, DMS, or simply just ADX. It stands for Average Directional Index. Let me put it on the screen from here, and yeah. I want to tick the box for shading because it makes it easier to recognize the trend just by look at the color. As you can see, this indicator has three components: ADX line and also DI, plus DI, and minus DI, or you can call it PDI and MDI lines, which are green, red, and black. Sorry. So create, and I'm gonna make this a bit bigger. Today is 28th of Feb 2020, and we are looking at the chart of SPX 500 on 4-hour chart. We have a bit of big drawdown on most of indexes, and that's because of the all the fears and coronavirus and all the problems that are going on. So let's see if we can find a good entry point, because in fear markets normally you can find good bouncing entry points, but as I always say in every trend, just follow the trend, unless you're using hedge trading, which I do. Otherwise, just follow the trend. Okay, let me explain this indicator. As you can see, we have a black ADX line, but what this represents? This represents the strength of your trend. Normally above 35, it means that we have a strong trend, and here you can see that with this big spike down, it shows a very trendy market. Okay, this line, as I said, just shows the trend. It doesn't show you if the trend is positive, going up, or it's a downtrend or whatever. Just shows you the strength of a trend. We have two other lines, MDI and PDI, and it's every time that MDI is above PDI, we are in a downtrend. So I chose the tick box for shading, so as you can see, very easily you can recognize the downtrend or uptrend. So ADX line itself, it just shows the strength of your trend, and these two together with ADX, you can find good entry points. What happens? In any downtrend, if you want to buy at low points, you can look at the ADX indicator, and anytime in a downtrend, here like kind of red color, but you can change it in your chart and choose any other color, but here I chose red for downtrend, so make it easy. Now we are in downtrend. If the ADX line is above the other two lines, it means that we have a low point. And depending on this gap, the possibility of the low point goes high and high. Let's have a look at what happened in similar situations before. Here, ADX was above two other lines in a downtrend. So let me add a text here. Okay, at this point, low point. Okay, so here we have a low point. Based on this indicator, we could have opened a buy position, and as you can see, price goes up, 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 up. Okay, so it works. Or you know, you can also get sell or short signals as well. But how? Again, when the ADX line is above two other lines but in uptrend. So here we can see that we have a high point. Okay. Yeah, today's situation is just very obviously out of control. I can say it's scary to enter the market at the moment, but based on this indicator, you can open a buy position here and hope that this is the low point, and then we can go up from here. So I'm adding a note here. Okay. Potential low point. Okay. So we can put a buy position here, then come back in a couple of days and see if this indicator was a good indicator to use on SPX 500 index. Yep, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoy your trading and you can make some money. Have a nice day. Bye.